Hello everyone, this is Virtualwiz from Wiz Tech. Welcome to this Flutter development course for beginners. In this course, we'll learn about Dart conditionals. Let's get started. First of all, let's open Dart in our browser. If you are unsure what Dart is and how it works, feel free to check out my previous videos on Introduction to Dart, Dart data types, and Dart functions. The link is in description. So what are Dart conditionals? Dart conditionals are decision-making expressions that helps to choose which statement to execute under different circumstances. Let's write a simple conditional statement. Let's first get rid of this print statement and declare a variable number equals to 5, and a conditional statement starts with if, sorry, here's a mistake, int number. So if followed with small brackets, if number equals to 5, print correct. So what I have written is if number is equal to 5, that is true, so print correct. So let's run the code. It prints correct because the number is indeed equal to 5. So if I type in number equals to 8 here and run the code, we get nothing because the number is not equal to 5. We can also declare this as else statement. Else executes when the factor inside this is incorrect and moves on to the else statement. Print incorrect. So the number is not equal to 5, so it shouldn't print correct, but instead print this incorrect. There you go, incorrect. What we have used here is an is equal to operator. So this operator acts like whatever is in either side of this operator, so left hand side number variable and the right hand side value should match with each other. There are many operators in Dart. So there is a greater than operator that identifies as the number should be greater than the value provided. There is a smaller than sign, less than, or there is a not equal to, or greater than, or less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and many more. Let's write a new if else statement. So if number is greater than 5, print number is greater than 5, else print the number is less than 5. So number is less than 5. Let's run the code. So it should print the number is greater than 5 because the number is 8 and it is definitely greater than 5. So if we change the value like 4, it will print the number is less than 5. The number is less than 5. So here we have only two conditions, whether the number is greater than 5 or else. So else is like a default condition that prints when everything else is not true. So we can have more than two conditions. Like we define is that else if and follow the curly brackets, else if, sorry, here should be smaller brackets, else if number is less than 5, and let's move this print statement here, and else print the number is not specified. So right now the number is less than 5, so it prints the number is less than 5. So let's provide a condition when the number is neither less than 5 nor greater than 5. So let's provide the value of number to be 5. So the number is not specified. We are inside the else statement. So why did this happen? The value of number is 5 right now. So it is neither greater than 5 nor less than 5. It is exactly 5. So we are inside the else statement. So aside from if else statement, there is also a switch condition, switch as switch, and inside the small braces we put the value of variable, and inside curly braces we type in the case. So let's provide the case the number is equal to 1. So print the number is 1. So this means that if the number is equal to 1, it will print the number is 1. So after every case is defined, we have to type in break. So what break does is it specifies that the case is completed and we have to end the control of the flow. So case 1, let's make another case 5, print the number is 5. We can have any number of cases, and default. So default is like a else statement in if is else cases. So it means if none of the other cases are true, print the default value, none. So let's run the code. So right now the number is equal to 5, so it prints the number is 5. Let's change the value to be 10, and it should print none. So here we go, none. So if we don't specify this break keyword, the flow will not stop, and this statement will also print if it's true, and it will also print this one. So it will never stop, it will keep falling. The case shouldn't complete normally, so it means the case will never be complete, because it will print this one if it's true, and then it will again print this one because we are not specifying it to break. So in order to prevent this from happening, we must always specify break after every case. In our next video, we'll learn about Dart loops. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe Wiz Tech.